In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot CRM effectively. Whether you're new to HubSpot or migrating from another system, this guide will walk you through the essentials, ensuring you're well-equipped to manage your customer relationships seamlessly. First, let's start by creating your HubSpot account. Head over to the HubSpot website to sign up. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you use a work email for better collaboration with your team. Once your account is set up, it's crucial to secure it right away. Set up two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security and verify your email address to ensure uninterrupted access. With your account secure, the next step is to build your team within HubSpot. Invite your team members and assign them user permissions based on their roles. This is essential to maintain both privacy and productivity, as different roles will require access to different areas within the CRM. Moving on, customizing your account settings will become your next focus. Begin by configuring default settings to suit your organization's needs. This includes selecting the correct time zone, date format, and currency, which will ensure that your data reflects your local settings accurately. User permissions are another critical aspect to customize. Defining what each user can access not only streamlines the workflow, but it also enhances security measures. You'll also want to integrate apps you already use. HubSpot allows you to connect with tools like your email and calendar, fostering an interconnected ecosystem that boosts efficiency. Data management is a pivotal part of your HubSpot setup, and it begins with importing your existing customer data. Utilize HubSpot's import tool, which simplifies the data migration process. Once your data is in HubSpot, organizing it is key. Create custom fields, stages, and pipelines that mirror your sales and marketing processes. This not only aligns your CRM with your current practices, but also helps in analyzing and optimizing them as needed. Furthermore, defining your customer's journey by mapping out the steps they take when interacting with your business will provide invaluable insights for future strategies. Continuing with integrations, let's delve into email and calendar synchronization. By linking your email accounts, such as Gmail or Outlook, you ensure all communications are automatically logged and tracked, providing a clear view of your interactions with clients. Set up email tracking to gain insights into how your emails are performing. You'll be able to see whether recipients are opening your emails, clicking links, or responding, which is invaluable for optimizing marketing efforts. Ensuring your calendar is connected, whether it's Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, will allow you to efficiently schedule meetings and track appointments, making sure you never miss an important engagement. Finally, a successful CRM system is one that your entire team can navigate comfortably. Conduct training sessions to familiarize everyone with HubSpot's features, ensuring they feel empowered to use the CRM to its fullest potential. With these steps, you're now equipped to leverage HubSpot CRM effectively, setting the stage for enhanced productivity and customer satisfaction.